Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, we haven't made these in a while, babe.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Pork belly burnt ends. We went to Whole Foods, but you can go to Costco, your local supermarket, get a slab of pork belly. I'll show you in a minute what we're working with. We got ours at Whole Foods. It's 4 pounds. You're gonna cube them up, right, babe?
Cube it up.
Season
like 1 or 2 inch cubes.
1 or 2 inch cubes. Mm-hmm. Season them.
Yes.
Smoke them for hours.
Yes. Sorry.
Put them in a pan. Oh, what are we doing here? With gloves?
Sorry. No, it just.
How you doing the intro with gloves on?
Sorry, my
very protection oriented.
Sorry.
Yeah, babe.
Stay safe.
So we're gonna smoke them, we're gonna sauce them, we're gonna eat them. Think of little bites of melt in your mouth Jolly Rancher candy meat candiness. Oh, so you can only have a couple of them. They're very rich. Yeah. Very rich, but they are very
delicious.
Good.
It's a great party trick.
That's a great party trick.
Yeah.
Kind of like those gloves. All right. Are you ready, babe?
Yeah.
And here we go.
A 4-pound piece of pork belly. Oops.
The butcher did most of the work at Whole Foods.
Yeah.
The skin's off. That's just fat and meat.
And deliciousness.
And deliciousness.
And happiness.
And happiness.
Okay, so we're going to use our knife and we're just going to cut some chunks. And then we're going to go back. This is what it looks like. This is how you make bacon. Instead, we're going to make meat candy. It's going to be delicious. So I got it all cut up into strips. Now I'm going to make my pieces. That is a big piece of fat right there.
Yeah, it is, babe.
Oh, we are having a good barbecue day. We are doing all sorts of stuff.
All right, babe. I'll bring them back when it's time to season it. Okay, so while Babe is inside cubing, slicing, we're going to get all that seasoned up. Let me talk to you guys about the Oklahoma Joe Highland Offset Smoker. Today we're going to be using our favorite charcoal, and frankly, I think the best charcoal on the market, Jealous Devil Lump Charcoal. Now what I did is I got my chimney, I filled it full of lump charcoal, I got a little Weber wax lighter cube, lit that, I put some more lump charcoal in the firebox, I'm using a couple chunks of cherry wood, and we're going to be running our pit today at approximately 275-ish, 250, between 250 and 300. I'm going to try and hold it there all day long, 275-ish. We're going to get these pieces on. I'm also doing a pork butt today, ribs, a ton of stuff, but we're going to get these little pieces of pork belly on, and we're probably going to have them in the smoke for 3 to 4 hours until they reach an internal of about 165 degrees. Once we do that, we're going to put them in a pan, sauce them, cover the pan, back on the pit, bring them up to about 205. They're going to be juicy, tender, and they're going to be really, really, really amazing. So come along, let's go back inside, see if Babe's done, and then we'll get them on the pit. Okay, talk about the seasoning, Babe.
All right, we're using good old Uncle Steve's Shake.
UncleSteve'sShake.com, the competition pig powder. That's a brand new bottle he just sent us too, Babe.
It is, and it is our favorite. The pig powder is the absolute best competition pig. I sliced up all of my little pork belly cubes, so I had to cut a little bit of fat off. If you have too much, it's just not even going to be good. It'll just be too fatty. So now we're going to load this up. You want to get them nice and covered. And then I'm going to lay them out on my rack here, and we're going to stick this whole thing on the barbecue. On the rack.
I don't know if that rack is big enough for 4 pounds, babe.
I mean, we do have a lot. They will shrink up, though. So it's okay if they're touching. That's always a question.
I always like to do them fat side up because I feel like the fat melts down into the meat. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know if that's like a myth or I don't know.
No, I think that's true. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. We might just be able to pull it off. I'm going to try. I might have to do some Jenga or some, what is it? Tetris?
Tetris.
Yeah. I might have to do a little rearranging, but I think we might be able to pull it off.
Okay, babe, you made it fit.
Somebody's having a party.
And we weren't invited?
We weren't invited.
On the world's smallest patio?
How rude. Did they not smell us?
Did they not smell us?
Obviously, we're the fun party.
Yeah.
We're the fun ones.
Woo.
Let's see which way that's going to go.
How are you going to make it fit, babe? Might have to move your pork butt.
Yeah, there we go.
Ribs, pork butt Pork belly. It's all pork all Sunday, babe.
That's bad, babe. You're a bad Jew.
And then let's talk a moment about pork, ham, bacon, pepperoni. These are some of the things that the scripture tells us we should not eat.
Not supposed to do that.
Are we good?
Mm-hmm. Does that look good to you?
Looks good to me, babe.
Okay.
Let's get it buttoned back down.
All right.
See you back in a couple hours. Okay, babe, what do we got going on here?
Maybe if they knew what we had down here.
So what are you doing, babe?
Well, I'm going to spritz everything now. I've got a 50-50 mix of my apple cider vinegar and water. And, oh yeah.
These shadows are so harsh. Don't forget the ribs in the back, babe. We need to keep them moist.
Mm-hmm. How's that look?
Fantastic. All right, babe, it's been an hour and a half.
I'm pretty excited.
They're going to keep rolling? Keep rolling.
Keep them rolling. Like that party up there I'm not invited to. I bet they have a taco truck.
You're so sad.
Yeah, I want to go.
Okay, see you back in another couple of
We'll
hours.
have our own party without patio furniture. And literally just charcoal.
It's the Jealous Devil patio.
That's all we have.
Yeah,
Is
man.
charcoal. Okay. See you back in a little bit.
Babe, I have
Yeah.
a couple questions. First of
Sure.
all, this is a chair from inside the house that you brought outside of the house now. And, like, what are you, camping?
Yeah, well, I have to do something since we don't have any more patio furniture.
Because you sold it.
And all of a sudden, we're like, let's sit outside. Well, you were like, you want to sit outside? And I was like, on what?
So it's been another hour.
Okay.
Okay. You have a meat thermometer. That's the Thermoworks Thermopin 1, the greatest meat thermometer on Earth.
This is
Link
pretty
below.
nice.
It's really nice, babe. And it's super accurate. It reads in 1 second or like half a second.
Watch. So it has a little, so it clicks in, and then as soon as you pull it out, it turns on.
Yeah, it's super nice.
And if it's nighttime,
And that company is...
It lights up.
No, you put your finger over the little light sensor, and then it lights up.
I don't know what the light sensor
Right
is.
through that little hole.
That?
Yeah, it's awesome. That company is amazing, babe.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you
Here we
ready?
go. We got to spritz. We got to check temps. Babe, who are you cooking for?
Our family?
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, ready?
Okay, you got to spritz.
Oh, yeah.
So these have been on like over 2 hours now. Obviously, you can see they still got a little bit of ways to go. The ribs, the pork, but this is a pork belly burnt ends video. How did it become a whole... Oh, you're spritzing chicken. Oh, my... Oh, you're just losing it.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn off. Okay.
Okay, now let's check the temperature.
Okay,
Let's
it's
check
93 outside.
Yeah, it's
96,
hot. It's hot out here,
97. Oh, we're getting over this. That's why it's heating up. Okay. So you want me to go right here?
Well, the video is about the pork belly burnt.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry.
Let's
We
check.
probably just need to check these.
Yeah, I just want to check a couple because we want to put them in the pit, in the in the
150.
pan.
3.
Okay. We
Okay.
want to put them in the pan at 165, 170.
This one right here is 164.
Okay.
So the smaller pieces
yeah,
obviously are
Yeah. So pick a bigger piece and check that.
145, 140.
Okay, so we still have a little.
We
If
still have a
the
little
big
time.
pieces are at 140, we still got a little bit of time.
Yeah, I can't wait for these.
Yeah, they're going to be really good.
Let me tell you. Yeah,
So.
they're going to be great. Okay. Good.
Yeah. Okay, babe.
All right.
You got to
Keep
tell
going.
people they got to go down below and check out the links. There's so much goodness.
Go down below and check out the link. Go down below.
The party shut off up there.
That's because we weren't there.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't keep it going without the fun party people there.
Babe, before we leave
Yes.
and do the next transition and the
Yeah.
next cut in the video, you should open the firebox and show the folks the Jealous Devil.
Okay.
Because it's been hours already. It's been 3 or 4 hours. And look, we're still holding on like really strong. This charcoal is amazing.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
All right, babe. We'll check back in another hour or two.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
We have to say thank you to our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much. Everybody that's hit that join button, which is right next to the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys make our little YouTube hobby possible. We've been smoking these for 4.5 hours. Now we're going to take them off the wire rack. You're about to see right now. And then we're going to put them in the pan. And then we're going to let those just baste in there and braise in there. And then 30, 45, 50 minutes. If you guys are making this at home, just do what you think is right. But you want that pork belly to get to an internal of about 205. I like 205-ish. And I'm using the Thermopin. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be amazing. So All right, now we're gonna go back to Babe. Thank you guys.
Okay, babe, we're at 4.5 hours. It is
How's your pot holder?
5:30 p.m.
Who made those?
We're Booger.
We love her.
We're getting really tired. We ate some chicken wings. We're now pulling everything. Holy moly. These are getting yummy. But look at that. Look at underneath. Oh my gosh. We have some TD's barbecue sauce.
We love that barbecue sauce.
Yes, we do. Somebody even brought us brownies. I think I said that in the last one. Somebody brought us brownies in order to get our barbecue, which is great because we have too much.
Yeah, because you went crazy today.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
Babe, it's going to be kind of hard to steam the pulled pork and braise it if there's a frickin' claw in it.
Do you hear the crows?
Yeah.
I was trying to throw.
Yeah. Now what are you going to do with that hole in it? That's a steam hole. You need to close the steam hole, babe.
Oh my gosh,
This video is a mess.
So funny. No, it's not. That was funny, babe.
Close the steam hole.
That is funny. That is like when I tried to shake the cocktail and it blew up in my face. This is really easy, you guys. We're gonna do 2 ounces of apple cider. I have Pink Lady apple cider. 2 ounces of ginger beer, just to add a little bit of fizz to it. 1.5, or maybe this is 2.
Yeah.
Jim Beam, double barrel, double oak. We still need a new cocktail shaker, babe.
If somebody wants to mail us a new cocktail shaker, Babe will love you long time. Oh, I'm so glad that I caught that on video.
It's pretty funny. We're using TD's Brew and Barbecue.
The original.
It's super yummy, yeah.
But you're also using cherry chipotle.
A little bit of both, yep. I'm always a fan of mixing. Those crows are real aggressive.
What is going on out there? Is it Wild Kingdom? Like what?
Hey, babe. You ready? Another 2 hours.
Nah, I would say like an hour probably.
Yeah?
What do you think? I think like an hour.
Okay. Whatever you think, babe.
Yeah, you
All
gotta
I know
fix your
is I
your
am excited.
hole. Yeah, babe.
Don't be judgmental.
Because you're getting a little too cray out here.
There we go.
Mom, can we have one after dinner?
Okay, that is delicious.
I'm so hungry.
That is good.
Angle of the camera.
That's so good. Okay, babe. So we put these on at noon. We let them cook for, I don't know, 5 hours. And then we pulled them off. We sauced them. We covered them. And then we put them on for another 2.5 hours. And then it's like all the neighbors knew what was happening. And they showed up at our house. And they're like, hello, can I please get a plate of dinner? And we're like, what are you talking about? So
What are
many
we
people
talking about?
showed up. So anyways, these are delicious. Let me just show you. This is meat candy. What we've been talking about. Oh, ready? I
Okay,
want you
hold
to
it.
see
Hold
how
it,
good
hold
it
it. There it
is. Oh my goodness. It melts in your mouth. It literally is meat candy. It is so good. Now we're gonna feed our neighbors, feed the people who pulled up in our driveway, feed our kids, and feed ourselves. Thank you
Yeah,
guys
and feed ourselves.
so much. All this stuff. We appreciate it. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to everyone who watches. Thank you to everybody who joins. Thank you to my husband.
Oh yeah, I love you.
Yes, I love you. Who is the best. Thank you all, and happy Labor Day.
Bye-bye.